Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 20 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In this video, I am going to make a speech recognition system using JavaScript. I am not going to use any external library. Rather, I will use the same browser features to get the speech recognition. For this, we need to run our server. So I have already run the server here. So everything in our starter code is here. So let's see the starter code. In our starter code, we have a div container. Inside our div container, we have to pass our value, right? So in our script, we already have written a line. That line actually used to recognize the our speech, right? So let's write other functionalities so that we can actually recognize our uh, text from the speech. At first, we have to get a speech recognition object. Let's take that recognition equal to new speech recognition. I think it should work. Let's check that. Yes, we are getting the object here. Now what I have to do is make a property true. Recognition dot this should be the property. Now fix the language. Okay. Now I'm going to add basically event listener recognition, add event. The event listener should be result, and it will call a function. I'm passing the event here. So let's print the event. To check the event, we actually have to start the recognition using this function. Let's check the output. Hello everyone. Hello. So there is a recognition dot not a function. Add event listener. Add event. What is the problem? The problem is here. Add event listener. Okay. Now here is the object. If you see the object, there is a lot of things, and we have a result here. Inside our result, we have another thing, and inside that we have our text, right? So we actually have to reach to this text. For this, I'm going to console log this result. Hello. Hello is undefined by hello. It should be results. There should be an s dot results, and I'm going to take a text variable and get array from this event dot results and map over it. I will get each result and console dot log each result, right? Let's comment in this. Hello. Now you can see we have three different objects. Inside our object, we have a speech recognition alternative object, and inside that we have a transcript, right? So there can be multiple object because there is a length 1. So we have to map this over this again. But before that, you can see there is a result recognition alternative. So what we are going to check is this. There is hello and there is also hello. So let's map over this again. It will give us the result of transcript. Let's check. Hello everyone. Hello. It is not giving the result of transcript. Why? There is another value, right? Result dot map, and inside this I'm again writing result and console dot log result dot transcript. Let's take the output. Hello everyone. It is saying undefined. Why it is undefined? Basically it should be result of 0. Then I think I should take, yeah, now it is working. But the problem is it is working for a few seconds but it stopped after a few seconds. So I have to add another event listener on this. Add event listener, that should be end. So when it ends the event listener, the previous event listener, it will call recognition dot start again. Now we will get continuous one. Yes, we are getting continuous speech recognition. Now I'm going to add a condition here that should be event dot results of 0 dot is final. Then it will console log our text. And for this we have to return our result dot transcript from here and join all the text from this. Now let's check. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Yeah, it is working. Now what I have to do is take a p element, paragraph element, constant p document dot create element p dot inner text equal to text, and I'm going to take this class words outside here. Words equal to document dot query selector. Now I'm going to just append child. Words dot append child. I will put p here. Let's check the output. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It is a little bit slow. So as you can see, this is now working. Okay. So this is for today. So everything I coded here will be in my GitHub repository and the link will be in my description. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.